why have calibrations changed the auto body industry forever? So when you think about cars from the 80s and the 90s, they didn't have all of this ADAS. They didn't have the calibrations. They didn't have the sensors.
Yes.
Now, if the vehicle's out of alignment, you need to put it into alignment after the accident.
That's right.
But the ADAS is also affected, right?
Yeah. It
Potentially.
Yes, it is definitely affected because if the car is out of specs, it won't drive properly. Like, you got the lane departure warnings, you got even auto cruise, and so on. So
Your side detection.
So all those, if they're not put back properly or calibrated properly, the car is not gonna run properly.
So what happens when repairs are done without the understanding of the full system?
You're gonna run into problems.
So it's one thing to make the car look good, but it's quite another to have it run properly again
Right. Exactly.
after a collision.